Hazrat Abu Abdurrahman Salami narrates that Hazrat Ali radiyallahu anhu said, the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam was in funeral procession, and he sallallahu alaihi wasallam then took something and started scratching the earth therewith. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then said, none amongst you is there but destined to either paradise or hell as his abode. Thereupon the people said, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, we gave up doing actions relying only on whatever has been destined for us. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, act for an action is made easy for a person for which he has been created. If he is blessed, the acts of the blessed are made convenient for him, and if he is wretched, the acts of the wretched are made convenient for him. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then recited, then as for him who gave in charity and feared God and testified the best. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 4949.